BSF recovery team. She's grinding off some hangers from the old exhaust that were just bothering her. And they've been bothering her for a long time. So we finally set her up to cut them off and grind them off. Meanwhile, I'm working on brake lines. And our shock bracket goes on like that. There we go. Okay. Now we got to weld the shock mounts on. Well, the Harbor Freight welder to the rescue again. 1/4 inch, yep. Not too bad for an old guy. Straighten this out. That looks pretty good. And the shock will go in there like that. Yeah. Now, brake line will go like that. Yeah. Now, let's straighten this one out a little bit. Good enough. And we'll put our brake line back in. Just like that. Well, there we go. We got our shock mounts relocated. They aren't sticking down where we're going to catch rocks or anything like that. We have our brake lines routed, and they should be protected. They should be fairly secure. Now we got to do our front to rear brake line. Now we can bleed the brakes. Okay. That one's in. That one's in. Looks good. Junction here. Okay. Now we got to mark and trim and flare. Where's my marker? There it is. Found my marker. So I trim it right about there. And that splice will be for when we plumb in the rear brake master cylinder so she can do her front wheel digs. But for now, we're just gonna plumb it straight. There we go. Okay. Now, I realize we got to clamp this in place in a few spots, but we have it together so we can bleed the brakes. Abby was welding. She's welding these together for a bend test. Okay, hopefully we have no leaks. So, it's leaking. It's leaking all over. I don't know if I didn't tighten up fittings or what, but we got to figure out why it's leaking and making a mess all over my floor. Oh, wrong size. Oh, yep, we didn't tighten those up. Okay, we noticed this one was leaking right here also, and it's tight. So we got to take it off and see what went wrong. If we didn't get the flare done quite right or what the scoop is. Fortunately, it's a short one. Sure enough, that flare didn't get made very well. Okay, redo the flare. I know what happened. It didn't, the line pushed through the clamp and it didn't create a good flare. I know they make hydraulic flaring tools and I just don't have one. They're rather expensive. I just haven't bought one. Someday, maybe. That's better. Much better. Yeah, if the line slips in the clamp here, then you don't get a good flare. That's much better. Okay, now we'll turn our brake lock off or back on so the fluid flows through and we'll see if it leaks. And it doesn't look like it's leaking. Good. Okay, now let's gravity bleed this corner. Okay, that's one that's gravity bled. We'll put the cap back on just because we don't want to lose them, and they make a difference. Now, let's see if we can gravity bleed this one. All right, that one's gravity bled. And we'll put the rubber cap back on so we don't lose it. Oh, wrong size. There we go. Let that gravity bleed, hopefully. There we go. And we'll put the cap back on so we don't lose it. And now this side. Okay, we got all four corners gravity bled. That doesn't mean all the air's out of them yet, though. Okay, now we gotta bleed the brakes. Well, I gotta check the fluid, and then we gotta bleed the brakes.
Get out from under there, Ding Ding!
Okay. Go. All right, Mara's gonna go for a ride. ya?
Yeah. Am I wheel turning?
No.
Oh, then I have a problem.
Okay, push down slow. Lots of air.
Down.
Okay. All right, let it up.
Up.
Okay. Push down slow.
Down.
Okay. Hang on, don't let it up yet.
I'm not.
Okay, let it up.
Up.
Okay, push down slow.
Down. This is good leg exercises.
Yeah. Okay, let it up. The reason we're not pumping them up and holding with pressure on them is because there's a quick take-up valve in the master cylinder. And if you have a lot of air in the system and you pump it up with that quick take-up valve, you can just aerate the fluid and then you have problems bleeding it. So we're taking it slow and just pushing it down to move fluid through and push the air out, and then we will pump it up. Okay, push down.
Pushing down. Down.
Okay. Let it up.
Up.
All right, push down.
Pushing down. Down.
Got lots of air out on that one. Okay, let it up.
Let it up. It's up.
Okay, push down.
Pushing down. Down.
Okay, let it up.
And it's up.
All right, this should be the last time for this wheel. Go ahead, push down.
Down.
Okay, let it up.
And she's up.
All right. Okay, we're gonna check because the last thing we want to do is run out.
Whee! 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 And down we go.
Yep, you're coming down.
But I want to go back up.
You will. Top off the fluid. There we go.
Am I good?
Huh?
Am I good?
You are now.
We're going back up. Yay! Bye-bye.
Yeah, you're going up.
Bye-bye, puppy. Hi, I'm up here.
Yeah, high. You're getting high.
I am, and I'm gonna drive now in the clouds.
Huh?
I'm gonna drive now in the clouds.
Yeah. Okay, push down.
Pushing down.
Yeah, it's pushing the air out. Is it down?
Down.
Okay, let it up.
Up.
Push down slow.
Pushing down.
Lots of air coming out.
Down. Letting up. It's up.
Okay, one more time.
Pushing down.
Down.
Now I am.
Okay, I'll go to the other side. Okay, push down slow.
Down.
Okay, let it up.
Up.
Push down slow.
Down. It's going. It's down.
Okay, let it up.
It's up. It's up.
Okay, push down slow.
It's down.
Okay. How's your pedal feel?
Like it does on my car.
Okay. Go ahead and step on it. All right. All right, let it up.
So, I'm keeping this, but I'm trying to figure out what color I should paint this. I don't know, I might paint it black. I don't know yet. I haven't thought about it that far. What do you think? What color I should paint that? And there is Mr. Eric, right down there. See, guys. See his color hair? I'm leaving the clouds. I'm going back down to earth.
Coming back down to earth. Okay, well, we got brakes.
Yes.
Can't drive it anywhere because it doesn't run yet.
I mean,
but
I can
you got brakes.
I do got brakes and I can dream. I was driving in the clouds.
Yeah.
In the ceiling.
We still got to get a gas tank for it yet.
Yes.
But anyway, we're getting closer. It's coming with us regardless of whether it runs or whatever, but at least it stops. So it's coming with, and if you haven't got your supporter package yet, you can check it out at our website, bsfrecoveryteam.com, and we have Blondie. We have Blondie, and we have the Red Wrecker, a package deal. Shirts, limited edition, hoodies, hats,
Koozies, signed autographs, stickers.
Yep. So,
you guys, go get yours.
Yeah.
Even if it's just a shirt or a hat or something, go get yours.
Yeah, check it out.
It helps us out so much. You guys, we wouldn't be doing this without you.
Yep.
Honestly, we really greatly appreciate it.
Yeah. And thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and we'll see you in the woods or
In the sand.